In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and set permissions in Hubspot. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to streamline your team's access, understanding how to efficiently manage users in HubSpot is crucial. So let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub for all your business software needs, and it's where we'll kick off today's task. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to make sure you have your credentials handy. Look for the login button prominently displayed on the page. Click on it and proceed to enter your login information to access your HubSpot home. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, you'll want to locate the settings. In most interfaces, this is represented by a gear icon, which will give you access to various configurations, including user management. Head over there and let's move forward. Now that you're in the settings section, it's time to navigate to users and teams. This is where we'll be focusing our attention today, as it holds everything you need to manage your team effectively. Click on users and teams to open it up. Next, you'll see an option to create a new user. Find and click on the Create User button. This will initiate the process of adding a new person to your HubSpot account. At this point, you'll need the email address of the individual you wish to add. Type in their email address carefully. It's vital to ensure that the address is correct before proceeding, as this is the primary means of sending them an invite to join your HubSpot team. Once you've inputted their email, click on Next to continue. This will bring you to the next step, which is seat assignment. Think of this as assigning them a specific spot or role within your organization's HubSpot account. Depending on your subscription type and business needs, you can designate different seat types. After selecting a seat, it's time to move on. Hit Next again, and we'll go to one of the most important parts, setting permissions. Proper permissions safeguard your data and ensure that users have access only to the tools and information they need. This maintains the integrity of your business operations and prevents unauthorized access. Take your time here to decide on what this new user can do and see within HubSpot. These choices can include anything from viewing dashboards to editing contacts or even sending emails. Once all permissions are correctly set up, you'll be prompted to invite the user. Clicking this will send them an email invite, directing them to set up their own login details and get started with HubSpot. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user and set their permissions in HubSpot. Remember, managing user access and permissions carefully is key to keeping your business information secure while maximizing productivity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to let us know and stay tuned for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.